What is up, my internet friends? I hope you're having a fabulous day today. We are getting close with the Jeep. I want to show you some progress. Hold on. It's a cool 31 degrees outside, so it's freaking freezing. But we've got new axle on, and I don't know if you can see, but there's the new track bar that Kyle has painstakingly put back together. So got everything on the engine running. We're just gonna go do tires right now and be done. Well, we got to do an oil. We're doing a coolant flush and an oil change. But other than that, we should be done today. We were gonna drive the Jeep up, but they're not even to the point where the tires are holding at all. So instead of risking a blowout and blowing up our year-long work, we're just gonna put them in the van and go up, take the two tires and put them in the van and go up. And oh my gosh, guys, check it out. It's on its own wheels and tires. So we got to fill up the differential fluid, or the front differential, because it's empty. So we're going to put some gear lube in that, and then we're going to run it. It did have, last time we started it, had some issues with some knocking, so we threw some seafoam in there, let it circulate. We're going to drive it around for a few minutes, let it circulate, and then we're going to do an oil change on it. So we're hoping that that'll clear out the knocking. I made the mistake in not following advice, and I did not replace the lifters when we had the engine apart, so that may have bit me in the butt. So we're gonna try and use seafoam. And somebody else on the YouTube mentioned this oil stabilizer from Lucas, so we're going to try that as well. But we might have to, in the spring, go in and replace the lifters. Alright guys, so we got the differential loaded up with oil. Dude, I hate gear lube. It smells so rancid. The battery, there's something draining the battery. I don't know what it is, so we got it on the charger. Kyle's gonna run it here in a little bit and get that seafoam running through it, and then it needs an alignment since we just changed out the front end suspension. So
Track bar.
the track bar and all that. So we're gonna get that done, and then in theory she should be ready to go, unless other major issues arise, which I'm hoping it doesn't, because it's.
We'll see how 2021 goes. At least we're getting her running in 2021, and hopefully it's a new start to a new year. So.
Yeah, I mean, it is a 20-year-old vehicle, so I'm sure things are going to come at some point. I'm just hoping they'll wait for a little bit. So, but thank you guys so much for your support. You guys are awesome. If you want to hit us up for some merch, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Also, if you want to Patreon, support the channel that way. That would be appreciated as well. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Have an amazing day.